Hi, this is Corey Chambers in Los Angeles. Your home sold guaranteed or I'll buy it. Thanks for taking a look and listen today. In a moment, I'll share with you some valuable information about this topic. Coronavirus Real Estate, Los Angeles. If you see any properties that are of interest to you, let us know. We will gladly send you a property information packet on any loft, condo, or house, or we will arrange for a private preview upon request. If you have a home you'd like to sell, then you should know that I will guarantee the sale of your present home at a price acceptable to you, or I'll buy it for cash. This will allow you to buy your next home without worrying about selling your present home. To find out how much you could sell your home for, call me at 213-880-9910 now. This is downtown Los Angeles today. Be greedy when others are scared. This is a quote from Warren Buffett. And this is recession tips and tricks for today's urban LA property market. This is the real estate news. Because panic proves to create more harm than the coronavirus itself, the Loft Blog provides news and information on how to avoid incorrect thinking and instead take advantage of opportunities created by changes in the economy and society. Unlike a typical economy, where there is more benefit to buyers and sellers across the board, a depressed economy has fewer buyers along with larger number of losers who must sell low. This gives greater opportunities to the wealthy and more rewards for the brave who take advantage of lower prices and more bargains in the real estate market. This is a picture of the 1910 bank run in downtown Los Angeles. Today's toilet paper panic pales in comparison to the cholera pandemic and LA bank run that both happened in 1910. Those things all happen throughout history. They also happen again in the 1930s. And there's always bank runs all the time, which, although now we don't have bank runs so much anymore, although I think there was one in 2008. And there certainly could be another bank run at any minute. But they tend to get, all these things get settled. And you do have winners and losers. Obviously the winners are people who are more prepared, but also the people who can see the opportunities, who can see the silver lining in every cloud, and people who already know that when there's a recession or depression or panic or calamity, that there is money to be made, and there's also good to be done to help society, to help other people. The best time to sell a downtown loft? Spring 2018. Well, that passed already. For those who are just now thinking of selling due to the panic, oops, a bit late it seems, but the good news is that today is likely better than selling in the year 2016. And selling today is also likely better than selling in the year 2022, when downtown urban prices are projected to be about 7% to 14% lower than they are today. Rents will stay about the same over that time. For those who want to wait until the next upside peak in order to sell, set your Google Calendar for around 2028. Of course, there's no way to guarantee any market timing or pricing, but readers know that the LA Loft Blog has been the most accurate over the last 10 years regarding Los Angeles real estate market projections. More importantly, to help with today's real estate market, here are the most helpful hacks that are working today for buyers, sellers, renters, landlords, and investors in downtown Los Angeles. For buyers, it's time to start stealing lofts. So you do that by placing lower offers below asking price or very low offers, which are sometimes called lowball offers. And you don't just put in one, you do your work. You put in not less work, but more work. You put in more offers. You do more research. That's how you do, because other people aren't. They're dejected, they're scared, they're frightened, they're hiding, they're going crazy, they're buying toilet paper, they're crapping themselves, they're using more toilet paper. So the people that are working harder, the people that are stepping it up, those are the people that obviously are much more likely to be doing well between now and the next year or two. Other thing as a buyers, should a buyer have to do work? Well, yeah, if you want to get better results, have better luck and better results, then you do more work as a buyer, seller, landlord, investor. So buyers, place offers on pending properties, place buyers on properties that are on hold, place offers that are on expired listings and canceled listings. Buyers also place offers on foreclosures and distressed sales. There were very few of those a couple of years ago, and now there are some, and we're going to see probably coming up in the next months and year or two. We're most likely going to be seeing more distressed sales and more foreclosures and more other bargains. Here's what a lot of people come to me and say they're going to do, but most of my clients are spoiled, and they end up just buying the prettiest instead of the ugliest properties, and that's okay. But the advice, the suggestion for what's going to make the most money on average is to buy the ugliest property in the best neighborhood, the ugliest house on the best street, the ugliest loft in the best building, so forth. And then you beautify it. And this works the same in good times and in bad. So many Loft Blog readers know this, but they're too spoiled, like I said. So they buy an already fixed up place. And as I mentioned, this is fine too for those with resources who would rather spend their time enjoying the beauty of an already fixed up loft or condo or lofty house. So most of my clients like lofts, and the ones that and almost everybody likes lofty houses. That's houses with high ceilings, with vaulted ceilings, exposed, rafters, that exposed beams, things like that, and other things that give properties character, whether it's a loft condo or a house, single-family home. Also for buyers, take advantage of motivated sellers, because guess what? As we speak, they're getting more motivated by the minute as buyers get less motivated. So the few buyers that are motivated are the buyers who are motivated or willing or able to take advantage of every situation. Here's two things I just talked about yesterday. Mills Act, which automatically gives you big savings on your property taxes. You get 2/3 off of your property taxes, and also a savings guarantee. So take advantage of both of these at the same time. Mills Act and take advantage of the savings guarantee. So buyers create long-term financial security with an ADU, accessory dwelling unit, a duplex, triplex, fourplex, or other multi-unit property. That's some of the best things to give yourself this fantastic future financial security with this income that keeps going up and up and up. Buyers beat out other buyers to hot new listings. The best deals go quickly, so that's why the most successful home buyers and investors, they don't wait to see what the crowd is trying to buy. The astute buy before a property is ever listed to the public and before the prices get driven up. And here's the last thing for buyers. Here's a link to 9 common buyer traps and how to avoid them. Sellers, find out what your home is really worth by clicking on this link. Find out what the home down the street sold for. Find out what your neighbor's loft sold for with this link right here. And sellers, can also get 27 valuable tips that you should know to get your loft, condo, or house sold quickly and for top dollar. Here's for renters. Now is the time to save $500 or more when leasing a downtown Los Angeles loft. What you do is you use the upgraded tour service because it will ask for money up front, but it not only does it have a 100% satisfaction money-back guarantee, but it guarantees that you'll save at least $500 or get a full refund as well. So there's a no-risk way to save yourself $500 or more. For renters, why pay rent when you can own? Well, especially right now when prices have dropped, interest rates have dropped, and you can get 0% to 2% down. So those who are not at least doing their diligent homework right now are going to be losing out, which is a lot of people are going to be losing out. That's the nature of a recession, of a panic. And most panics, like what we're having now, most panics turn into a recession. So we know now I've been talking about this for a while, and talking, is cheap. That's why we're giving action. We're taking more action than ever ourselves. And we put our money where our mouth was during the last recession and bought the Alta Loft, which is the home of the LA Loft Blog. And we'll be putting our money where our mouth is this time. Avoid these mistakes. Oops, we already did that one. We are renters moving up. Oh, these are actually for buyers right here. No, this is for buyers. Oh, there's no links there anyway. Okay, reader questions. As you may notice, we're answering more and more reader questions almost every day now. What is Broadway lofts, DTLA? The answer, Broadway lofts are the loft rental apartment building units in the historic core downtown Los Angeles. They have lots of character with these really distinctive industrial walkways like you would see in a multi-level factory. An awesome rooftop deck with views. Check out how to see more types of places at www.laloftlease.com or click on this link. By the way, we are on the LA Loft blog. www.laloftblog.com is what we're looking at. Get a free list of Mills Act historic lofts with property tax benefits. This is for buyers. It's also for renters who would like to stop renting and buy a place that's going to get them the Mills Act condo. Listen, if renters right now, because they have the biggest opportunity above everybody right at this very second, because they can get all this. They can get Mills Act properties that pays about 2/3 of the property tax, so they only have to pay about 1/3 of the property tax. They can get a savings guarantee and save $10,000. They can also get put 0 to 2% down, so you can actually end up putting less down potentially by buying a place than you would put down by renting a place. Some places require 2 or 3 months of deposit, and whereas buying a place, a lot of times you can put down around 0% or 0%, 1 or 2%. So, and then there's other things as well. So you add all that up, and it's an amazing time to buy because interest rates are down and prices. A lot of people don't know. You were one of the few people, one of the first to find out that prices have fallen in downtown Los Angeles. Okay, so that's the Mills Act. So go ahead and fill out this short form here and get that Mills Act information, and that'll also allow you to start receiving some of that other information that I mentioned as well. This is a recent picture of, this is Broadway in the Old Bank section of the historic core. Well, thanks for listening to this. I hope that you're going to take advantage of that. This is going to help you either right now or in the near future. My name's Corey Chambers. Your home sold guaranteed or I'll buy it in Los Angeles, California. Thanks again. You take care. Bye-bye.